Good day, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Let's talk about something many of us have experienced: a stiff neck. Whether it's from sleeping in an awkward position, spending hours hunched over a screen, or stress, a stiff neck can be a real pain, literally. But what if I told you that traditional, natural, and traditional Chinese medicine (TCM) doctors have been addressing this issue for centuries using natural techniques? Let's explore how they do it and what makes their methods so effective. Understanding the problem first, let's break down what a stiff neck is. It usually occurs when the muscles in your neck become tight or inflamed, leading to difficulty moving your head comfortably. While modern medicine might suggest painkillers or muscle relaxants, traditional and natural approaches aim to tackle the root cause and restore balance to your body. These methods focus not just on the neck, but on your overall well-being, recognizing that the neck is connected to other parts of the body. How traditional and natural medicine helps. Let's begin with massage therapy. Traditional healers swear by therapeutic massages to relieve tension in the neck muscles. Techniques like soothing oil massages, acupressure, or gentle neck rubs increase blood flow, reduce inflammation, and release knots. Natural oils like lavender, peppermint, or eucalyptus not only ease pain but also relax the mind. Additionally, stretching and movement are key in natural remedies. You might be familiar with yoga or simple neck stretches that involve tilting your head or rolling it in circular motions. Natural doctors often recommend these exercises to improve flexibility and ensure stiffness doesn't return. Another effective tool is heat therapy. Applying a warm compress or heated towel to your neck can work wonders. The heat relaxes tight muscles and improves circulation, speeding up the healing process. It's a simple yet effective remedy you can try at home. Traditional Chinese medicine (TCM) approach. Now, let's explore TCM, a practice that has been around for thousands of years. TCM views a stiff neck as a disruption in the body's energy flow, or qi. Practitioners aim to restore this flow using methods like acupuncture and cupping therapy. Acupuncture involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body to release blocked energy and relax muscles. Cupping uses suction to improve blood flow and release tension. While these methods may seem intimidating, they are incredibly effective and trusted by millions. TCM also emphasizes herbal remedies. For instance, ginger root and turmeric are often used to reduce inflammation and relieve pain naturally. Drinking herbal teas or applying herbal balms directly to the neck are common recommendations. The natural way, a holistic approach. Finally, traditional doctors and TCM practitioners don't just treat symptoms, they look at your lifestyle. They'll ask questions like, are you managing stress? Are you eating foods that promote muscle health? Are you getting enough rest? These factors determine how quickly you recover and whether stiffness will return. They may encourage mindfulness, meditation, or Tai Chi to reduce stress, which is often a major factor in neck pain. By taking care of your mental and emotional well-being, you're also taking care of your physical health. Conclusion: so, the next time you struggle with a stiff neck, remember the wisdom of traditional, natural, and TCM doctors. From gentle massages and stretching to acupuncture, herbal remedies, and mindfulness, these approaches focus on treating not just the symptom but the whole person. They emphasize the importance of balance within the body, mind, and lifestyle. The natural way is truly a gift, combining centuries of knowledge with the power of nature itself. Let's honor these traditions and take care of our necks and ourselves the way nature intended. Thank you.